Okay, we've got this drilled out here. We've taken the back off so we can see in here. So we're going to open this up so we get the eyeballs to fit properly. We're going to start with the outside with this tool here, and we'll cut inside here. Is just take out a little bit at a time so you don't go past your lines. You go past your lines and your eyeball's going to fall out on you. So now we'll do the inside here some. And I'll use this tool here. See, we've got this side opened up some in here, so we want to do the same to this side here. So we're going to keep working back and forth to the front and to the back, and then little by little we'll take some more out on the outside of this till we get it to the proper depth that we want for our to put our eyes in there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Well, this is the size of the eye we're going to use. It's a 1 inch. So that will go back in here. See how it sets down in there compared to this side. So we're going to work on that, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.